Hi, today I'll be making a detailed review of Freecad, one of the most talked about free open source parametric 3D CAD tools out there. Whether you're a hobbyist, a student, or a professional designer, Freecad has made waves for being powerful, being flexible, and best of all, completely free. Yes, you heard me right. We'll go through a detailed overview, the main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally a balanced conclusion on why this 3D CAD tool is a better choice in 2025. Let's get started. Freecad is a general purpose parametric 3D CAD modeler. This means it's designed to create detailed 3D models that are fully editable through parameters. If you change a measurement or a dimension, the model updates automatically, saving you the time and frustration of redrawing or remodeling from scratch. And it's completely open source, which means it's developed and maintained by a community of contributors from all over the world. And because it's free under the LGPL license, anyone can use it, modify it, or even contribute to its development without worrying about licensing fees. Freecad runs on Windows, on Mac, on Linux, and even supports less common systems like BSD. This cross-platform compatibility makes it incredibly accessible no matter what setup you have. It's also deeply scriptable with Python, meaning you can automate repetitive tasks, create custom tools, or even build entirely new features to suit your needs. So at its core, Freecad is about giving you professional-grade CAD tools without the professional-grade price tag, all while keeping you in control of your designs and your data. Now let us talk about the main features. Assembly Workbench. This is one of the biggest updates in Freecad 1.0. The Assembly Workbench lets you bring different parts together, define how they connect, and even simulate movements. You can create exploded views, generate bills of materials, and manage complex mechanical projects all inside Freecad. Sketcher Improvements. The Sketcher is where you create your base geometry. The new version has streamlined dimension tools, improved constraint handling, and added symmetry previews, continuous trim tools, and better snapping. This makes it much faster to create precise, fully constrained sketches. Part Design Enhancements. Part Design has gotten smarter too. You can now work with multi-solid bodies, offset patterns, up-to-shape extrusions, and more flexible revolve and groove options. This gives you a lot more control over how your 3D shapes are created and modified. Measurement tools. The updated measurement system is far more convenient. You can save measurements as actual objects in your project, and you'll see quick readouts of distances, angles, and areas right in the status bar without having to dig through the menus. There's also the TechDraw Workbench and the file format supports. Freecad supports a huge range of file formats: STEP, IGES, STL, OBJ, DXF, SVG, IFC, and more. That means you can work with files from many other CAD programs without a hassle. And for advanced users, Python scripting is where Freecad really shines. You can automate repetitive tasks, create complex geometries algorithmically, or develop custom tools that integrate directly into your workflow. Now, what is the pricing like? As earlier mentioned, it is completely free. There are no trial periods, no watermarks, no limited functionality. You get full access to everything that the software offers from day one. And because it's open sourced, you never face sudden subscription fees or license charges. What are the pros and cons of using Freecad? First, the pros. It is completely free and open source, as earlier mentioned. Cross-platform. It works on Windows, on Mac, and on Linux. Highly modular with specialized workbenches. And extensive file format compatibility. How about the cons? There's a steeper learning curve for beginners, and the user interface is not as polished as commercial CAD tools. Occasional stability issues with certain workflows. So having considered all this, is Freecad the best CAD option in 2025? Well, that depends on what you value most. If you want a tool that's flexible, customizable, and free from licensing restrictions, Well then yes, Freecad is unmatched. The new release has shown that it's no longer just a niche tool for hobbyists, it's maturing into a serious contender for professional work. And for the vast majority of users, especially students, makers, educators, and small teams, Freecad offers a level of capability and freedom that is hard to match. In 2025, it's easily the best Freecad platform available, and it's a serious option even when compared to paid alternatives. And that's it on the review of Freecad. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Fusion 360, OpenSCAD, and LibraryCAD. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.